Hello, my name is Chris. If you want bought Samsung notebook, you must power on this laptop and click F2 button. F2, and if you click this button, then you go to Samsung BIOS configuration and you must choose boot. If you want boot Windows 10, you must choose UEFI OS. If you don't know, better option is CSM and UEFI OS. Fast BIOS mode, you must go to off, secure boot control off, and you must choose your boot device priority. Click twice, and you must choose your hard drive or USB disk. I chose USB disk, but my hard drive is broken. And save. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.